Chris Paiva. That is one of Dave Cole's old machines, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll get a time for Brian Reed here shortly. But on course, Chris Paiva. This is the 4400 Nitto Unlimited class. So for his first time racing with us ever, Brian Reed just throws down a 107.496, sitting on the pole position for now. But how cool is that? First time racing with us on the pole position. But on course, on screen is Chris Paiva. Up next is going to be Kevin Porterfield in that beautifully built, wide open design Adam Woodley built machine. So Chris Paiva with a pretty smooth run, but again, a huge shout out. Brian Reed, first race ever, 107.496. Chris Paiva just crosses the line. We have got action. It's hard to keep up with. I'm doing my best. I hope you guys are having fun at home or here in the pits. I'm having a blast. It's hot, it's dusty, but I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.